Okay, boom, viewers, welcome back to the channel. Subscribers, you already know the thing set. We're blessed. You also know the story incomplete of King Mix Up on the beat, and as you can see on the screen, Spice finally unfollowed Lisa Hyper after unblocking her for like 10 plus years. So say, put in the comment section what you think about that, because I think she kind of waited that little bit too long for do the unfollowing. You see, man, say, you know, Vibes Cartel, Dancehall King unfollow Lisa. What they are took for outrageous behavior, but I'm guessing Spice, unfollowed her because, you know, say Spice, they say Shensi and Jada Kingdom and all these people was going to be queen. I never mentioned Lisa, so that's why Lisa said, homegirl, they try over here for take her out of the queen's race. You see my answer? Anyway, let's proceed to the next. And now, a lot of people is upset with Nicki Minaj because she's just been handled the Jamaican ambassadorship. Put in the comment section where you think about that, because boy, she deal with Shay and bling her away, you know. All this after, you know, the thing with Rosalie, X, Y, and Z. You see what I'm saying? And even Maka get drawn into the mix. So let's see what Nicki Minaj have to say about this ambassadorship. And then we proceed with the next, because I'm not lie to you people. Up there, people is upset that Nicki is chilling with the yardies, you know, and you know the yardies them is upset that Nicki now linked them, you see me?
Jamaican TikTok. The Americans are looking for Nicki Minaj. they got a couple of them asking, how come they haven't heard a word from Nicki Minaj just recently? I too was confused. I went to go look it up. Apparently she's on Jamaican TikTok live all day, listening to the Gaza trying to advocate for other people. Can somebody please cash me up and explain to me?
Today started my first official day as the Jamaican ambassador. The Trinidadian ambassador to Jamaica and the American ambassador to Jamaica. I just set up my office, okay? Got no pussy test. You understand? Yes.
Oh, yeah.
And, but, you know, so basically, I am starting a new foundation. People really don't understand what goes into being the queen this long. I've seen it all, sweetheart. I read people immediately, like a book. It's very simple. It's easy to read people, sweetheart. Yes, I read them. I know everything. Y'all think because I be acting like I don't know what's going on that I don't know what's going on? Y'all think that I didn't hear who say what? You think I care about that? Don't nobody give a f about that? Just imagine waking up and being angry that the queen sent somebody gifts. So you gotta come and hurry up and tell the queen how bad that person is. And oh, they didn't say you before and they don't like you. They don't really like you, y'all. Da, da, da. Imagine having this much power. That all I gotta do is show love and attention to human beings to get a whole entire, to get a bunch of people panties in a bunch. And I'ma keep doing it. I'ma keep doing it. The fact that they think that I don't know is what's funny. The things that they telling me, right? I know it. Been knew it. Been knew that. You didn't tell me nothing new.
Yeah, putting out the comment section where you think about that. No, honestly, people, you know the industry is full of fakes. And this is why you see industry players like Nicki Minaj chilling with the regulars, you know what I mean, the realers. It's a mess. And I don't think nobody should be mad at her for doing that and how she spends her coins. You know what I mean? Look over the Uptown people, they book Chris Brown for the big show. When him get the money under the show, it's where him doing video. Don't know they get to. You know what I mean? Yeah, so I don't need for chill. Because we know most of the dancehall artists not like the bloggers on the local sites. Them, you know. You know what I mean? We've been here over the years. We can tell you that for true, you see me? You know what I mean? And Nicki Minaj reminds me of Vibes Cartel. Because them people there show love to whoever, you know. Them not go on like say them better than the rest, and you don't need no type of status for them for hear you. But when let's again them what go information what go on for not to go on let's hear what Maca Diamond has said.
I should love Derek. I'm gonna make Derek viral. All the actors have just come remix the song. I don't know my life I say, you know. I'm never diss her, you know. And them splice up a video, you know. And somebody come under my page and diss me. I'm gonna say the whole on make one move from us. And then splice up the video and make it look like a Nicki Minaj diss. And she don't come and ask for nothing. She just believe what them I say. You understand? And people think like me, I walk on a diss Nicki and me, diss people and me. Me is not a violent person on this app. Me come and me try to talk to people and me be nice. I'm wicked.
You know more than nobody over here. Nicki have blood running out.
And then put out what I want to put out on the live when I say. I tell lie for me. I'm a lowing. I'm not your ugly dan come talk about. Oh, me want Nicki lion. I don't want nothing. I don't want no lion. I don't want nothing. I don't want a tiger. I don't want a giant. I don't want nothing. I'm live somewhere.
Alright, look what they want to sell out. They want to. So if Nicki somebody, my kind of somebody. Nobody better than nobody.
She come to me careless. So if me careless and bigger superstar than me, I come over here. I don't know what she mean by that. I don't know what she mean by that.
Why we big and dirty and careless over here? So if Nicki over here, she big and careless and dirty.
Like one of them I want to go behind them back and see how them live and how them go on. When them move from us, they don't know nothing about nobody. Don't know about nobody. They don't know they're from nowhere.
Nobody better than nobody. Nobody more than nobody over here. So from the moment you come over TikTok, you're just like we, Nicki. You're bagger just like we. You know more than we. You know better than we. You just have to come over.
That's the show. My phone just ring a while ago. People want me in England. They have 2 shows coming in Costa Rica. That TikTok can't stop me. The bagger can't stop me.
Calm down, Maka. Hold up, 1 second, Maka.
It don't have to use my front.
Maka, you hear me? You hear me, Maka?
Of course, nobody don't feel like something.
No, yeah, Maka, may I say something to you? You hear me?
Yeah, me I hear you.
I was saying, I think it was a misunderstanding. Because I was listening to her. I don't think she was tearing you apart or she back you. I think she did not say, what she was saying is that she was saying to you that, Maka, sometimes you know you get too friendly with people and pass them place.
Who should see me with friend with me? No friend.
I'm just saying, like, because that statement there would have been a general statement, you know? You lie with dog, you rise with player. You know, you talk up to so much people, then pass them place.
What? Roger, nobody knows this. Them about this over the song. With Derek, but yet still enough of them are Batman and enough of them are do the same thing with them call Derek.
Them can't speak, them can't speak.
You have to differentiate them and try to break it down from when them are trying to talk certain things. You don't differentiate that.
How long can you want to bring them back? How long can you want to bring them back?
Them are trying to break it down. You understand? Because I'm do song with Derek, but yet still other people must do song who are Batman and who are this and who are them friends with money and them don't diss them. And me alone people want to come for. Because I'm
that really specific. When I think that still, I think she did have more in your corner than a disrespect. That's all me did want to say.
100 times because she was in my live and Roger said 100 times. And somebody else texting on the live about as me hear Nicki name me. No, me I say something go wrong and Nicki never asked how it go. I mean never decide them go play upon the video where they want to play and try to bring it down. And Nicki not ask me. You understand? Because when people ignorant and talk is a different thing from when them splice up whatever they want to cut out and tell people. All I was saying is Nicki must come and remix the song into such a love Derek so much. That's all I did I say. And then put out all of what they want to put out and ray.
But she did that talk a long time about how Nicki give this, and she said how Nicki gave wrote a this, and Britney, and me did I listen, she not call my name, and a long time Nicki give me not look on she.
And that's why you wouldn't tell Nicki say she wrong in that Derek, because you Nicki to where?
What I tell her to me wrong for? She not do me nothing, you know, what I tell me wrong for?
No, nothing too wrong.
And I look at bring me down with the lady.
Derek,
you never bring me down with the
story. Because she can't take the side. Because if you're going to disrespect Jamaica, we not take it around. We're going to diss your back. You understand? So, you know more than nobody over here. And she can't just jump on Rosalie's side and not listen to Shay and happen to both sides of the story and then she form her conclusion.
Then I tell her
nobody over here, so. Nicki no more than none of we over here, so. Nicki have human beings, she wash her, push it trousers sometimes just like everybody else. She's not God. You understand? So when she don't come over here and she play God, she have to listen to the voice.
You never listen to me when them have fun and them talk about things about me and me just listen.
Yeah, because you want to, you love the speech, Derek, you make them like this.
Okay, what else me love? What else me? Me not the banker side.
You love the
but them quick for call my name.
Yeah, put in the comment section where you think about that. Yeah, you know, people shouldn't be looking people as attention, you know. And if people not giving you attention, it's not a big deal. But when Nicki Minaj give you attention, it is a big deal. So I understand why people feel away. You know what I mean? But it is what it is. You see me, pick up yourself, Nicki Minaj. And Nicki posts me up in her IG story. You know, that's why we always have to rate Nicki over them dancehall artists, yeah, because them see the people that do the good work. But them go and like say, no, no, you know what I mean? You know what I mean? Yeah, you see me, my people, you know what I mean? So, just again, a quick update what go on for that to go on. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell to be notified whenever I drop the latest. Please.